Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanushri and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and much more. So if you're someone looking for content like this, then please do subscribe. So just a little disclaimer, I'm not promoting any particular body type, and I believe that you're absolutely beautiful in the way you are and your body size doesn't really matter. But the entire purpose of making this video is to help those people who are struggling to lose weight. And if you are someone struggling with this, or you have some medical conditions for which you really need to lose your weight, then please do watch this video till the end. So I am someone who had a lot of weight issues when she was young, and I used to be really chubby. When I was around about 15 or 16 years old, then I gained a lot of weight. I had a very unhealthy lifestyle. I didn't used to have physical activity back then, and then I used to eat every sort of junk food that was out there, and it was like on a daily basis. So I had a really bad health back then, and I struggled a lot with my weight. So my weight was too much. Like I weighed 66 kilos back then, and now I am 51 kilos. So the entire journey of me losing weight was really struggle. And I thought, like, why not I just share my own experience and the very basic things you need to keep in mind when you are just starting with your weight loss journey. So in this first episode, I wanted it to keep it very simple, very basic. So I would just share very few tips in this video where you would have an idea where to start from and where to really look into when you're just beginning with your weight loss journey. So without much delay, let's get started. So the first most important thing is do not skip any meals. And I used to skip meals a lot. This was very recent, like as recent as last year. So I used to skip meals because I used to stay in hostel, and then I used to have a very I didn't have a very disciplined life there. I used to sleep very late, and I used to wake up very late. So I used to skip my breakfast in the morning, and I used to think that if I skip meals, then I would lose weight. Now the basic idea of losing weight is that you have to be calorie deficit. So if you are a healthy female and if you are a healthy male, you need this much of calories. I used to think that if I skip meals, then what's the harm? I am like literally starving myself, and then I'll lose weight. But this very basic idea caused a lot of health issues, and there were so many side effects. So my skin started showing the signs of this unhealthy lifestyle I had. My hair started falling a lot, and I didn't realize that rather than losing weight, I was losing a lot of things which will cost me a lot in the long term. So no matter how busy you are, please do not skip any meals, and your diet plan should look like this funnel. And this is like you're moving from morning to night, and funnel shape is like this because this indicates the amount you should eat in a day. So you can eat as much as you want in the morning, then a little bit less in the afternoon, and then at night you should have the minimum meal possible. And by minimum, I do not mean that you should starve yourself. As a healthy adult individual, there are certain minimum requirements which your body needs, and you should definitely fulfill that. And so this leads to the second point, which is never skip your breakfast. And I know so many people that skip breakfast, and I was one of them. I didn't like waking up in the morning and having breakfast. And once I realized that it caused me so much harm, I totally stopped it. And having a good breakfast is very important when you are trying to lose weight. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and always try to include protein in your breakfast because this is very important. So when you wake up, your body needs food because for a really long time you didn't eat anything. Studies have shown that eating breakfast has long-term health benefits like low blood pressure, reduced hypertension, no diabetes, and it can reduce obesity as well. Studies have also shown that people who have their breakfast daily are more prone to lose weight than those who skip breakfast. So the body needs food. So eating fruits, some protein in the breakfast would make a very good meal if you are just starting off with your weight loss journey. Now moving on to the third point. So I wasn't really aware about this thing until recently, like very recently. It's about calorie tracking. Now you have to track your calories, because during weight loss we all tend to, you know, control our cravings, or we tend to go very harsh on ourselves, like I can't eat this, I can't eat that, and I have gone through all of this. So I know how it feels, and I know like how I used to control my cravings, and by doing that I used to be so harsh on myself that I caused more harm than good. There are a lot of apps available, but I would recommend two apps. One is this and one is this. So this is my current app which I am using to track my calories. You have to fill in all your details in this app, like any app you give. You have whether you want to lose your weight or whether you want to maintain your weight. So right now, since I have lost weight and I don't really want to lose any further weight, so my goal is to like maintain my weight, and for that I am using this.
Download this app from Play Store, and just let me tell you guys that this is not really a sponsored video, so I really found this app helpful, and you just really need to enter the details, your goals, and they will recommend you certain calories. You can see that there are a lot of options like your water intake, food intake, exercises, so you can like choose the breakfast, lunch, like dinner, and then like these are the like food, like the choices available out there. You just have to search, select an option, enter the details correctly, and it will give you the correct calorie measurement. As you can see that I am entering the, like, this is just an example. There are also like sample exercises out there, and you can also like update your weight. As you can see that I've already updated my weight, like my current weight. And there are also a lot of recipes available out there which will like help you in order to like maintain your protein, your minerals content throughout the day.
Cannot emphasize more on this. Calories are not bad, calories are good thing. You need that to perform, you need that to survive. So calories are good. When you're tracking your calories, you actually have a scientific approach towards it, and you know like what you have eaten throughout the day. Because whenever we are eating and whenever we are trying to lose weight, so when both of these things go side by side parallelly, we tend to get paranoid, and we think that whenever we are eating, we are consuming a lot of calories, and this scientific approach helps you to rationalize your thoughts, and that will give you a very correct approach to, you know, towards your entire weight loss journey. And you will notice that whenever you are eating something that's actually so less in calories, that you are actually being a lot deficit than you are supposed to be. So this leads me to the next point, which is choose your meals carefully. So again, by saying this, I would also like to emphasize कि if you are eating something and you are not liking it and your body is not responding properly, please stop doing that. Because if I force myself to eat something which I don't really like and my body is not responding at all, I'm not really enjoying and I'm not really being thoughtful while I'm eating, then please don't do that. So this is the first thing. And again, another thing is that if you're eating something and you know that you won't be able to sustain that thing for at least 6 months or a year, then please don't do that. Because I have seen people eating like just eating boiled food, like everything boiled, and then they are just very glad to lose 10 kgs in a week or 10 kgs in 15 days. That's absolutely a hoax. It's not possible. Physically, biologically, it's not possible, and it's not healthy at all. It's very unhealthy. Just by eating a certain kind of a food or just by following a certain kind of a diet, I'll be able to like lose weight immediately. Because if you are not very sure that you won't be able to sustain that kind of a diet for 6 months to a year, if you are someone who is not liking that, not actually enjoying that, then please stop it. So just try and include normal ghar ka khana in your daily diet, and trust me, that works. Like, you just don't really have to follow celebrities and their crash lifestyle for that. That's something which is unattainable, and that's not really practical for people like us. So you really have to make a practical diet plan which you will be able to sustain for a really long time. So this is very important, and please do keep this in mind. So now moving on to the last point is following a physical activity, and this can be anything. I was losing weight is that I used to go to a gym and I used to, you know, just focus on cardio. Honestly, cardios are good, but You really need to have a mixed workout plan in order to lose weight. You really need to have all these mixed exercises when you're trying to lose weight and not just focus only on cardio. It will help you to lose weight, but probably not in the way you want, and you will end up losing weight unevenly, and that will make you look very odd. And trust me, I've experienced that.
Just follow a basic workout plan every alternate days for about 30 to 40 minutes and you are good to go.
So this was it, and I don't really intend to make it any longer. Losing 15 kilos wasn't really easy for me, and it was really a challenge back then because I was so young and I was so naive that I didn't really know where to start from. So just let me know whether you like this video or not. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. So I'll be uploading a video on these every week. Stay tuned and please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a lovely week ahead, and bye.